Okay, the next we'll talk about is conditional probability. This probability deals with something occurring given that something else has already occurred. So the formula that we usually have for probability looks like this. The line and then A. So this is the probability of B given A has already occurred. Our formula looks like this. Probability of B given A is the probability of A and B occurring divided by the probability of A occurring. Okay, so we're going to put this into action. We're going to do another example. We're going to use the college students again. So we have the probability of L is that they live on campus. And it's up to you if you want to rewrite this stuff. It's the same information from last time. And then P of M is that they have a meal plan. And then that they have both. So say we want to find the probability that the student lives on campus given the student has a meal plan. Okay, so that would be P of L line M given M. The probability of L and M divided by the probability of M. Okay, so that would be the probability of L and M. Well, we already know that's 42 because that's a both. And the probability of M is 0.62, sorry. So the probability of L given M is 0.42 divided 62 is 0.6777. So that's the probability that a student lives on campus given the student has a meal plan. So the student already has a meal plan. What's the probability that they will live on campus?